Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, especially Ethereum, knowing how to send ETH from your Metamask wallet is essential. Today, we're breaking down the process step by step for 2025, where things might have a few updates for better security and user experience. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, making a purchase, or investing, this guide will have you covered in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Metamask installed on your device. It's free and available for browsers, mobile apps, and even desktops. Once you're logged in, open your Metamask wallet and ensure you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. In 2025, you might see some new interface tweaks, like enhanced biometric security options, so keep an eye out for those. Step 1. Click on the Send button in your Metamask interface. This will bring up a form where you need to enter the recipient's Ethereum address. Double-check this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy-paste it to avoid any mistakes. Remember, sending to the wrong address could mean losing your ETH forever. Next, specify the amount of ETH you want to send. You'll see a field for that, and below it, Metamask will show you the estimated gas fees. In 2025, with advancements like Ethereum 3.0, fees might be more predictable, but always review them to ensure you're not overpaying. If you're on a budget, you can adjust the gas settings for slower but cheaper transactions. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. Metamask will display a summary of the transaction, including the recipient, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. You'll need to authenticate with your wallet's password or biometric features for added security. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can check it on Etherscan or directly in Metamask. It usually takes a few minutes, but network congestion could vary. And there you have it. That's how you send ETH from Metamask in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.